It's been a while since I've done a construction update, and we're going to head into the building and check it out now. Check that out, we have kitchen cabinets finally. We haven't had kitchen cabinets yet, and there they are. Eventually we'll have a kitchen. Even more exciting. So this is super exciting for me because this is going to be the closet that's holding all my film gear. Look at this. You can step into it. So we're going to have a whole bunch of film stuff in here. Cameras, tripods, lights, you name it. Right in there. Maybe even some costumes. We got lots of room in there. There's our lovely toilet. We talked about that a little bit, about how excited I was that the toilet here flushed. We're gonna head downstairs. And wow, this is the cleanest, driest I've ever seen this basement. Good job on the guys that actually finally got this going. We had a pretty bad rainstorm, so I'm guessing that we've taken care of the water problem finally. We're going to try to do a fast construction update, although it's really dark out. So I got a little light on the camera, so hopefully that's going to allow me to actually see some of what they're doing in here and be able to record it. We're back in the studio. Check out the studio space. Pretty cool, huh? We finally have walls with wall board. It's almost a studio. We're probably going to paint the walls a little bit darker than this, though, because we want a dark studio. Studios need to be dark. And interesting, we are going to be meeting with some people who want to use the studio, so that's pretty cool. So let's take a look at what's going on over here. I'm rather disappointed. There's a toilet right in front of me. That toilet once flushed. I'm very upset that it's no longer a functional toilet. It's kind of creepy in this light. Why is there just a toilet sitting here where it doesn't really seem like there should be one? That's where the toilet was. Not anymore, though. So I'm standing in what is now the kitchen, and we have a stove. All right, so I'm out here on the balcony. We just did an upstairs walkthrough of the whole space. We saw the bathroom with this really cool light. I like that light a lot. That was like a Batman light, so I thought that was pretty cool. And got to see one of the bedrooms. We're going to come over here and look into what is going to be another bedroom, but they're painting in there, so I don't want to go in there and disturb them. The nice big closets that we have. This balcony out here is going to be a cool place to chill in the summertime and have a beer, probably throw an electric grill up here and make some hamburgers. I think it's going to be really great. They're nearly finished. It's looking awesome. Everything's going well, and I'm going to start moving in this weekend. Just moving my stuff in because they're not quite done, just things that are kind of stored. and then eventually within 3 weeks be in here completely. It's been 2.5 years we've been trying to get this going, and it's finally there. It's a good feeling. All right, well, that's about it. Until our next construction update, which will probably be a move-in update. Till then, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you soon.